So definitely just I'm disconnected ladder, but just what I'm telling you, the specialty of my Nangobet village is yes, definitely there are so many great places. Just like when we go to any places, we just discover there are some temples and so many means which what the city special contain means they just need some special things and some special beaches. In my Nanobet, there is a lot of festivals. Means people are very uh, joyfully celebrate the festivals just like the Ganesh Chaturthi, Shri Krishna, Janmashtami, Durga Devi, and the Diwali, and it is very celebrated with the enthusiasm, and it is very yes. We will see that there are lots of band and the banjo coming when the Ganesh Chaturthi is there, Ganesh Visarjan is there, and when yes, as today is the and there's 4 to 5 days remaining for the Navratri begin, and the first day of the Shardiya Navratri there is a in our Nangobet there is a lot of means Durga Mata Bhatti hai. I just come to my language, that is Hindi. I'm just from the Hindi background, and I also speak the languages like the Marathi, which is because I'm from the Maharashtra background, and everyone in the Maharashtra need to speak if he want to discover something else, and definitely he just going to yes, definitely he can speak the many languages. Multilingual people is are very I just say they means I just have the curiosity and the what do you say wise, yes, I just wrote it from yes, definitely here we go. Just what just I'm going to tell you, just Nangobet is famous for yes, so many festivals just like the Ganesh Chaturthi, Durga Devi, Diwali, and many. It's joyfully celebrated all over the India and all over the Maharashtra, because the Maharashtra city of Maharashtra is the state of the sons. What is we can had them the what we call them the great rishis or the great people. It contained all the like the Pandharpur and the so many pilgrimage sites and the so many Vargiri Sampradaya, and the Maharashtra has what not means just yes, definitely yes, there are so many things to discover in the Nangobet and the nearby Amravati region, and definitely we just going to I just going to tell you there's a one street light just installed. This is we just see that light is installed on my nearby my house today itself. It is inaugurated, and what we say just yes, continue what we say, definitely yeah, there are a lot of helicopters means what they are flying in the skies. The sky is very clear today, and the birds are flying, and definitely yes, just going to I'm just talking with you just very frankly miss it's a frank talk. I just not to yes, definitely what yes, yeah, nearby my yes, someone shouted yes, definitely okay, here nearby my house there is one petrol pump which is of the Rathod petrol pump, and it is the Hindustan petrol pump. And India there are so many corporates, PSUs, we just see India has the many companies, and now we all know that the India going to be developed by the it's as early as possible developed country. It's just becoming the developed country because of its youth, because of its population, and there is a means exponential increase in the population, means the population are going to be increased and increasing. It just we just surpass the China and become the one of the most populous country in the world. So yes, we just how to describe the culture of our India, and definitely we just going to tell you just yes. So India, Maharashtra there is a need of lot of the yes, Maharashtra has all of the magnetic city. Definitely it's just going to become a yes, it is economic state, and we just know that there are so many billionaires and the millionaires are living in the Maharashtra and all over India, and but there is a need of the yes, there is a more contribution of the Maharashtra, and definitely yes. I just it just sun is dusking means what the dawn and dusk is just sunrise sunset, just sun is going to be sunset. Here just I am going to display you, and there's a lot of buildings and lot of high buildings. The airplane are just passed by our So what we say, the airplane is just bypassing. Yes, definitely yes. Here just is a beautiful sunset just visible from my house, and definitely it is very. I just display you. That's yes, definitely. It's very means what we say, and definitely which is very beautiful. Means overall the world and the nature is beautiful. We just need to look the beauty of the nature. We just need to feel the alchemy of the nature, and definitely yes. I just have the habit of saying that multiple times. What is definitely yeah, basically okay. I just remove my specs. Well, look, do not no, handsome. Yes, because of my spec, I just what is the story behind that spectacle? I just tell you. When I'm small and when I'm child at the I'm in sometime the sixth standard. I just it's just time of very much miss curiosity of smartphones. There is a very much curiosity of the smartphones among the children and all over the India. It's just a time of the 2014 when I firstly touched the smartphone. Means just yes, definitely. And my father bought me the which is of the Carbon company, and in that I just install multiple games and play multiple games day and night. And because that we say that the spec is means outcome of that, because at the in the teenage means in a teenage when we are small, our eyes are not means not very strong, but means and the continuously seeing the screen can definitely decrease our eye vision. Yes, definitely. Okay. Definitely. Okay, brother. So just continue to my point. So okay, yes, just I just pause, take a pause of some minutes. I just tell you yesterday experience of my seminar, because it is not good enough. I just tell you that multiple students in my class are giving the seminars. They are giving the good seminars, but when my turn is came, I just came to present, means go to present the seminar. This is my topic is the integration of the 5G and the robotics. I just explain all the things about the integration of the 5G, benefit of the 5G. Means my just who the judge means my ma'am. Yes, my ma'am tell me that you are not come here to promote the robotics and the integration of the 5G. Just have the need of the technical knowledge. I describe the means his what do you say? Means he just ma'am means okay. He's not. It's not her fault. It's my fault because I'm not describe my topic or the seminar topic very well. But there is a need of the yes technical aspect. I just need to tell there on this platform. You just need to describe the multiple how the 5G is going to be integrated with the robotics and what are the technical means she's just tell that everything is fine. You just need to be describe means and explain what you just need to explain all the technical aspect, means all the technical aspect how the integration is be done on the all the how the architecture is working. Definitely I just tomorrow is my yes, definitely tomorrow is my seminar. I just preparing very well, and definitely yes, I just going to, it's my wish to be placed at the good company, but I'm not doing really. I just going to deliver that. I'm not doing the hard work. Means why I'm not doing, I just not means getting, but there is a need to do the hard work. If I want to be placed at the good companies, there is a need of a lot of the hard work, because the companies are demanding much more talented people and the skilled people. There is a lot of gap between the yes, it will be definitely there will be the gap between the this company are wanting the talent and the wanting the talent, means they are saying that there is no talent available and we just want the talent, but they just want the good talent. And the student concern is that the companies are not getting us, means there is a yes, जिसको क्या बोलेंगे अपन हिंदी में, जिसको लग रहा है उसको आज बहुत अच्छा पैकेज लग रहा है, मतलब बहुत अच्छा पैकेज लग रहा है, और जिसको नहीं लग रहा है उसको साला 3 लाख का भी लग रहा है पैकेज, 5 लाख का भी पैकेज नहीं लग रहा है। अपनी कंट्री में ऐसे ही हो रहा है, नहीं है? चलो जस्ट हिंदी में बात करने का मज़ा ही है कुछ अलग है, नहीं है? चलो डेफिनेटली इट्स जस्ट अ लॉन्ग टॉक एंड डेफिनेटली जस्ट Thank you. Bye bye.